Hey, this is Mrs. Bello, and I'm redoing this video because somehow the microphone went out. So this is what your picture should look like when we're finished. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is get your supplies. You're going to need a piece of paper that's folded in half like a card, a pencil. If you have a Sharpie, then a Sharpie. If not, you can do a ballpoint pen and the intermediate colors. If you have a big crayon box, that's fine. If you can color it the way I'm showing you, fine. If you don't have all those colors, then you can color it the way you want to. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to fold your paper in half like this and make a nice fold along the edge. Okay, then we're going to make it symmetrical. So if you watch the video about symmetry, you need to make this side the same as this side. Both sides need to be exactly the same. So I'm going to show you how to do that with this butterfly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his head. So draw half of a circle like this. Now I'm drawing it with pencil, and then we'll outline it with Sharpie. Then draw one antenna, so draw two diagonals and a circle at the top to make kind of like a lollipop. Then we're going to make his body. So go out a little bit and then go straight down to make a really skinny rectangle and then kind of curve in to make a point like that. Okay? And then draw some horizontal lines to kind of give him a segmented body like that. Okay? Now we're ready to draw his wings. First of all, let's draw one eye and half of a smile like that. Now we're ready to draw his wings. So draw a kind of a circle shape, a round shape for the top part of his wing like this. Now I'm using pencil because I figured that's what you have at home. So start with pencil and then we'll outline it with Sharpie. Okay, now we're going to do the bottom part of his wing. So make a curved line that kind of comes down to the corner like this. Then we're going to curve up a little bit. And then we're going to do kind of a wave line. So make some bumps like this, going all the way back in a diagonal direction up to his body like that. Now we're going to include some shapes. I'm going to show you some shapes, but you can draw whatever shapes you want. Okay? So I'm going to put a big circle here because some butterflies have an eye that looks like a circle that looks like an eye to make other predators like birds think that it's some kind of creature that's looking at them. So let's make an eye shape.
Custodians, please come to the front with a dolly. Thank you. See you, Mike. Hurry up.
There are a lot of people working here. Okay, so now we've got our eye shape. Then let's make a triangle and another triangle. Like I said, you can create whatever shapes you want. Okay? I like those triangle shapes, so let's do another two triangles here. Okay? So now I got some shapes on the top part. Now we're going to put some shapes on the bottom part. So let's make like a teardrop shape. Like that. And then do a smaller one. Now, because it's coming up on Easter, I want this butterfly to kind of celebrate Easter. But you can draw whatever shape you want. I'm going to make kind of a triangle shape that fills up the rest of the bottom wing. Then I'm going to make a little smaller one. And now I'm going to put a cross. So I'm going to do like a square here, square here. Then I'm going to make a triangle here and a triangle here. Okay, so now you have your butterfly. You can add more circles or outline these shapes or whatever you want. You add it to make it look like yours. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to take this and go to the window and put it up in the window so that this side, so that the drawing side is in the window and you can see this. You should be able to see your butterfly, half a butterfly in the window, and then I want you to trace it. Okay, once you've done that, then I want you to outline it with Sharpie or a ballpoint pen. And so it should look like this. Okay, I use my light box, but I want you to use, I know you don't have a light box, I want you to use the window. I'm missing one of my shapes here. Okay, so now we're ready to color it. You should have your intermediate colors. So pull out the 6 intermediate colors. Okay, we've got the 2 yellows. We've got yellow green and yellow orange. We've got the 2 reds, red violet and red orange. And then the 2 blues, blue violet and blue green. So I want you to go ahead and color all the shapes inside the wings with the intermediate colors. So the top wing, I want you to use all of the intermediate colors. Now, if you color one on one side, you got to color it on the other side. Okay, so now I've used blue-green. Then I'm going to use, no, that's not blue-green, that's yellow-green. Now I'm going to use blue-green. Okay, and let's do red-violet. Red-violet. Okay, and let's use yellow-orange. And yellow-orange. All the shapes in the top wing, I want you to color them with, if you have intermediate colors. Now, I know we don't always have those colors. Okay, now we need blue-violet. And blue-violet. And just keep going until all the shapes are filled up in your wings with the intermediate colors. Then, once you've colored all of those shapes in, then I want you to pick a color, like a light color, like yellow, and color the rest of the wings. Okay, yellow or pink or something that you don't have in your butterfly. And then color your sky with the blue, light blue. You could even add some, a horizon line if you want and make a ground. You decorate the way you want to, but the inside shapes should be all the intermediate colors. Okay, that's our symmetrical butterfly. I hope to see some beautiful butterflies that are really unique. Make them a little bit different than mine. Add more shapes, something different, so that I know it's unique to you. Okay, enjoy the drawing, and it's a nice spring day. Bye.